What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and today Ford revealed the 2020 Shelby GT500, and they literally dropped it out of the ceiling, which was quite an entrance. It looks very cool in that's a new red color, and it looks really awesome, but then you can see this performance blue looks very cool as well with the white stripes, and very aggressive up front here. It looks exactly like a lot of the leaks that we've seen. This one is the track package version, so that's why you'll see like the splitter wickers there in the front. The vented hood is standard on all of them, but that carbon fiber rear wing in the back there is part of that carbon fiber track pack that we know about from the leaked brochure. Unfortunately, Ford didn't give us any kind of horsepower numbers or torque numbers. We just know it's the 5.2 liter cross-plane crank supercharged V8. It has a Tremec 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and this track pack also includes carbon fiber wheels, which are very cool. Also Michelin Cup 2 tires. They're 305 in the front and 315s in the rear. Interior is very cool. You can see like a flat bottom type steering wheel there. You can see some large paddle shifters that look very cool, and a very nice improvement. It also has the digital gauges here for the GT500 as standard. Recaro seats look very similar to the Shelby GT350s, and since it's auto only, you'll see that little rotary dial there to control the transmission, which is pretty crazy. It looks wider and more shallow than the one in like a Fusion or something, so it is a unique unit, not a parts bin thing, but it looks pretty nice there. Also, you can see the carbon fiber instrument panel there as part of that track package as well. A few other things with that track package: you get adjustable strut top mounts. You also get a rear seat delete here on the carbon fiber track pack version, and there's Recaro seats. Now you can get power memory seats that are non-Recaros, probably very similar to what you see in the Bullet and other GT Mustangs, but overall it's a very cool look. Other things here we know from the brochure, it's going to have the tech package available, which gives you a B&O Play 12-speaker stereo, navigation, blind spot monitoring, memory seats, and mirrors with Cobra puddle lamps. And there's also going to be some new colors, again according to the brochure, including Grabber Lime, Iconic Silver, Red Hot Metallic, which was the one you saw in the beginning there, and Twister Orange Metallic. And it also comes with a free driving school lesson as well. A few other things we learned from the brochure are that the Brembo brakes are 6-piston up front and 4-piston in the rear. There's 2-piece vented rotors that are 420 millimeters in the front, 370 millimeters in the rear. It comes with a MagneRide suspension as standard. There's high trail knuckles for improved steering response, and if you get the regular non-track pack version, you'll get Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. There's also a magnesium strut tower brace and a carbon fiber composite drive shaft. They run the 373 differential, and it says in the brochure they're going to be running engine oil, transmission, and differential coolers, and then you of course get the usual line lock, launch control, and all the other Ford Mustang track apps that you get with any other Mustang. But yeah, so Ford didn't give any kind of specifics on pricing, unfortunately, either. They just said it's going to be available this fall. Didn't get too specific with that either. But anyway, it looks very exciting, and we'll have to eagerly continue to wait for the actual performance numbers, the weight, all that type of stuff. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on the GT500 in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.